Feels relaxing here. The grass is always green and the sky is always blue. Feels so beautiful. When Bonbon was with me. Wait, where's Bonbon? Oh, he's probably picking out carrots or something. So, as long as he comes with my carrots, I'll eat them myself.
Oh boy, now it's our chance to prank PB, aren't we? We meet.
Yeah! Alakazam, alakaboom! I summon the Tommy Blues! Since this is the magic learning world that she lives in, let's just wait till her stomach gets Huh? What's happening to me? What's that sound? What's wrong, Tommy? Tommy, are you feeling hungry? Tommy, what's the matter? Okay, I'll give you food. Please stop. I'm growling too much. Stay Puft Marshmallow from the Ghostbusters. Better be a good one. Tommy, what's the matter with you? Why can't you please stop growling for once? Please, pretty please. Oh, okay, I'll give you food. Just please calm down for once. Okay, what's this? Let me just see in the fridge. It's for something. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Doritos and Lay's chips with crab flavor. Have to taste them both. Right now. Better have something to do with meat and... Oh no! Meat and toadstool! They must have cursed me with this witch's curse! It just